How to fix Chrome change password pop-up. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Chrome change password pop-up. So let's get started. Chrome only shows the change password alert when your saved password was found in a data breach, the password is weak or reused, you signed in on an insecure site, or Chrome's password checkup is enabled. First of all, you gotta head over and open your Chrome, and then you gotta click on the three dots at the top right. Over here, you gotta scroll down and click on settings, and you'll be redirected to Chrome settings. You gotta head over to the top bar and you gotta type in password manager. So here it is Google Password Manager. You gotta click on it and you will be redirected to an interface like this. You'll be able to see all of the websites that have your password saved. So first of all, you gotta search for the specific website that was causing the error. For example, it was this one. So you're gonna click on it and you can simply click on delete. But if you don't want to delete the password for the website, you can simply head over, click on edit, and then you can type in the new password and then click on save. And that will fix your issue. So that was basically how you can fix Chrome change password pop-up. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.